Delaveaus. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It's sunny outside, the sky is blue, and it is looking so beautiful. So we decide it's a perfect day for barbecue. What else is there to do? Since we can't go out and explore and do our usual road trips as we would normally do at this time of the year, we have to just stay home since quarantine is still active. We gotta stay home and make the best of the weather anyways. So we're doing just that. So right now, baby's on the barbecue outside and I am inside taking care of the fries. So I went in the fridge and realized that I am out of fries. Oh my gosh, I don't know how I managed to let that happen to me, but no worries. I have potato around the back, so I peel some and I'm making my own fries in the fryer. So everybody is having a big cheat day today with fries. So we're having fries, sausages, and chicken. So the sausages are here. I just put some holes in them. Baby's on the grill with the chicken outside, and I cut up a bunch of potato this morning. And I have some already frying. So yeah, that's what we are up to. I woke up and washed my hair and got it done, and I also give babe a haircut. Got it done today. So it was a hair morning this morning. So I finally got my husband back, and I'll show you guys him in a while. He looks completely different because he went for extremely low cut, lower than you guys have ever seen him. So he might probably look a little bit different to you guys. But yeah, everybody is full of energy. One is watching TV, one is playing, and it's just good vibes around here as usual. What else is there to do than to be happy? Be sad and throw yourself in depression at this time doesn't make any sense. Snap out of it. Find something that makes you happy. Find something that keeps you going. Find something that makes you active. Play with your kids. If you don't have kids, watch something that makes you laugh. You know what I realized that babe and I like to do is that we like to watch comedy. If you have Netflix, go on, watch some Kevin Hart stand-up comedy series, watch Dave Chappelle, watch Ellen DeGeneres stand-up, watch Trevor Noah. It's a bunch of them that you can just laugh, sit and laugh, and you might be surprised to know the difference it makes you feel. Another series that I'm going to recommend to you guys, in French it is called La Casa de Papel, and in English it's called Money Heist. Listen, that movie keep you on edge. It just makes you want to keep going. My sister-in-law and my sister recommended it, and we watched it all, and it's amazing. So that's another one you can watch. Or if you're bored, just go ahead and catch up on all the Delaveaus old vlogs from 3.5 years ago going on 4. Y'all, you have so much things to do that can make you laugh. Do something to snap out of this feel, because I know this quarantine ain't easy. It's not easy for everybody. We are people that used to being out and active and taking care of our family and running errands and seeing friends and family. However, we can't do that at this moment. So do something that makes you snap out of whatever feeling that you are feeling. I just pray that everybody's lives just go back to normal soon. With all that said, if it's your first time to our channel, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and make sure you turn on your notification bell. Not just subscribe, but click that bell. That way you will get your notification whenever we upload, Mondays to Fridays. Don't miss it. Anyway, I'll carry you guys along to show you guys the rest of the family and have lunch with us. Let's go. Who is that? Who is that? Say morning.
Morning, Mama.
Sarah. Sarah. Say morning. 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 Morning.
Mama, you know what?
Yes, Ty.
I'm doing a vending machine for myself.
What does a vending machine is used for?
Is it to give some food?
Okay.
Except from a restaurant or something.
Okay, I see. Alright, you guys, so there goes my girl on the floor chilling, and my boys over here playing. You guys will see baby in a bit. Let's take a ride outside to see the barbecue and the new husband in town. Let them see a cute face. I got my baby back. Look up now.
Need to shave.
Let me see. You look like Schofield. You look like Michael Schofield. No? What? Where you going? Where you go? Stay inside. Where you swinging to? Alright, you guys, so we're ready to eat. Got our favorite wine. This wine is bomb. Can you tell it's our favorite? And then orange juice for Tyler. Tyler said he doesn't want to have any coca because he doesn't want his auntie to see him drinking coca.
It's just for the workout.
My sister told him that he's to stop drinking coca, so he insisted that he doesn't want any coca. But I take one out for Babe and I just in case we want it. So it's not for Tyler, Shani, if you're watching. Look at her inside. Hello. 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 Hi. I'm coming in. I'm coming in. I'm coming in. I'm coming in.
She crying as she wants
After barbecue then domino, let's see who's going to win.
Real
Put this
good
over here.
Saturday.
The best day ever.
And tomorrow we have another day. Every weekend should be 3 days off.
Don't it? Because we had Friday holiday today. So today you don't feel like it's Sunday. We're like, oh, we're tired. Let's see who's gonna get sick.
Try to play.
Play
We're gonna
before
pick
you
you
get
this
sick.
one.
I'm not gonna win.
Kick your ass.
No, you are wrong,
Play.
Papa.
They stay trash talking.
Oh.
It doesn't matter what game they play. they
Mama,
trash
pack.
talking. Who park? Are you have a park? You're bright.
No, you're wrong.
You're too bright. Can you come back right now?
What? know that. How did you know that?
No, back.
No, but
Play.
you pack no cheers, yo.
Ah, good. What are you really doing? I just gonna make me win the game.
5 minutes.
What you just say? What you say? What you just said?
I don't know.
Watch out.
5 and no 3 and 6.
How many minutes you have? And last one, last shoot.
Mama, let's make this soup fast.
You're gonna make the soup.
No, us.
No, be careful with the pan behind you.
First thing first. Put the banana.
Banana in soup? I'm tapping out. I don't want to have that soup.
But it's
Yeah?
Unless it's pepper pot.
Take what she just chopped.
Take up sister scoop.
2
Right, banana you put in your soup or green banana?
green banana.
Okay.
And some fucking candy.
And some candy in your soup? I don't want to do that soup.
No, it's not the
Baby.
soup it is that I'm making. It's a yummy banana split.
What is a banana split?
It's a type of ice cream that we use with banana.
Oh, I'll have some of that. But if it's a soup with banana and candy, me don't want it. Maybe they have some soup with red banana and candy.
No, it's not the soup.
Only if you add fries to the soup.
It's not that kind of soup. I tell you it's banana split.
You're too loud.
That
Banana
type
split, you're too loud.
Why you call me banana split?
Because that's what you mean.